Not married. Yeah.
All right, we're we're recording now, guys.
Okay.
What? No, no more engagement stuff.
I
How
guess
rude.
And I have to jump to the period.
Exciting times.
For sure.
Hmm.
For sure.
So, did you guys get the chapter?
What
I
did
will.
you ask?
Did you get the chapter?
So. I did okay at the beginning, and towards the middle, I'm like, oh man.
Mm,
I think I understand what it asked me to do. The definitions it's requiring me to learn.
I'm sorry, what?
But I think I understand what they're asking me to do, like the process of it. But I don't understand. Like, the definitions are like all over the place. So if you want to ask me what something was, I would be like, I don't know. H would be zero. I don't know.
Yeah.
I am little bit lost right now. I don't know which one is which one. So, which lesson we are right now? I'm sorry.
9.
Okay, 9. That will be okay. Next one. Wait. Lesson 9. No. There we go. Sweet.
Alright, so what do we want to go? Do you want to go through the work and then the quiz, or just go start with the quiz and go through that?
Hmm.
I'm okay with starting with the quiz, but whatever you guys want.
Yeah, we could do that.
What, Kira?
Oh no, I was just saying if we started with the quiz would be great, but if you guys want to go through this, it's fine too.
Well, why don't we just start with the quiz? Sounds like that's what. You okay with that, Kenny?
Sure.
All right. First thing I got to do is find it.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one I tried to do now.
Oops.
No.
Whoa! There's 21 questions.
No.
Woohoo! Yeah. More to
Well,
learn.
we can handle the first 2.
Yeah.
I always get those first 2 right.
Unless I'm not in the group, then I missed the second one.
Well, true.
Okay.
I need to get the app lit up.
Oh yeah.
Mhm.
All right. So I can do question number 3.
Okay.
What hypothesis involves equality? So that would be the null hypothesis. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
You good, Ryan? Did we lose Ryan?
Well, he froze.
Yeah, it's still the same place. Hello.
I don't know. We can say yes.
I don't know.
Well, he looks happy in the picture, so we can say yes.
Okay, fair enough. I'll go with that. Okay. Number 4.
All right. Oh yeah, now he's gone. Sorry. Remember that for the p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. Use this information to answer the next question. Remember that the p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? Is that the null? Welcome back, Ryan.
He froze again.
Oh no.
Poor Ryan.
Reading the question. I didn't hear you anymore, and I was like, is that short, that question?
Yeah, it was sure.
I still can't see the quiz that's loading.
Oh, man.
Enchiladas? What?
Yeah, tell someone to get the laptop my wedding gift.
Somebody needs to get you an early wedding gift.
Yeah. All right.
Well, Hangouts is working, but the quiz isn't, so I'll just listen to you guys.
You want to write down the answers?
Yeah.
So question 4 is, when computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
Is that the null hypothesis as well?
What?
Is that the null as well?
I thought so.
Okay, that's what I thought. I don't remember though.
No.
Cool.
Here's my pen.
So, that's, oh wait, Ryan, do you need the answers for 3 and 4?
Yes, okay, I just barely found my pen. So, number 3?
Is the null hypothesis?
No.
And number 4
Hypothesis. And then number 4?
is also the null hypothesis.
Okay. Sweet.
All right. Question 5. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for two-tailed cat?
And that's the third one. The alternative hypothesis where it's not equal to is the two-sided.
Where
two.
mu
Yeah.
is not equal to 10?
Yep. Yep.
Okay. Save. Okay.
Wait, so the answer to 5 is the mu is not equal to 10?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet.
The answer to question 6 is the mu is less than 10. It's a left-tailed test.
What, number 6?
Yeah.
It's less, right? Mu is less than 10.
Yes. Yeah. Less
Okay.
and left. That works.
So the other one it will be
Yeah, the other one would be the right.
Yeah. So that would be greater. Mu greater than 10 for number 7, right? Yeah.
Nope. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
I was like, what?
I know.
And
Well, I thought your answer was right then. I was reading my notes. I guess I shouldn't. No. Okay. I don't, you know what? I am confused with what this symbol is. I know it's a Greek letter, looks like A.
Oh,
And I
the
know,
mu?
no, the A, the p-value
oh, alpha.
alpha, yeah. I don't understand what that is.
P-value.
Wait, what don't you understand?
What alpha is? I mean, I know the symbol's
Alpha.
neat, but I don't understand what it is.
Hmm.
It says the p-value is compared to the level of significance, which is A. But
This alternative hypothesis HA. That one?
oh, duh. Thank you. Okay.
Alternative. There we go. What do you have, Ryan? Do you have 5, 6, and 7?
I got for 5 the mu is not equal to 10. 6
Okay.
the mu is less than 10, and
Yep.
7 the mu is greater than 10.
Okay.
Is that all
You are
right?
on- Yeah.
Okay, and we're on 8, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
What happened? This is now it's alpha, right?
Yeah.
P-value level generic A.
So which result or which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis? In my notes, I have if p-value is smaller than alpha, this is considered a rare event and the null hypothesis would be rejected.
Okay, so then it would be p-value is greater than A.
If p-value is smaller than A, so wouldn't it be p-value less than A?
Well, if we're failing to reject the null hypothesis, then it's not a unique or rare.
The p-value is smaller than A, this is considered a rare event and the null hypothesis would be rejected.
Right, and since we're not rejecting it, it means that it's greater.
Oh, failing to reject. Thank you.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So the answer is p-value.
So the answer is p-value
Greater than A.
greater than A. Okay. For alpha in this case. Failing to reject the null hypothesis. What?
So then would 9 be p-value is less than A?
Yes.
Yeah.
And so it's the p-value is when it's the A, it's the alternative hypothesis. And if it's Z, it's the Z-score. Is that right?
Z-score.
Z-score. Is that what this is telling us?
You know what I think? What it's telling us is that like when you're given a problem, you're given what A equals, usually. And so once you put in once you put the information on the applet, you find out what the p-value is.
Uh-huh.
And so the p-value for a null hypothesis is always going to deal with alpha. I think that's what I
Okay.
guess.
Okay. Number 10. An insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim amount was $1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Use this information for the next 2 questions. So which of the following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis?
Would that be the average claim amount is greater than 1,500?
Wouldn't it be less than? Wouldn't it be the average claim amount? Oh.
But it's
They're
greater.
concerned that the true mean is actually higher. Yeah.
Is actually higher? Would that mean it was greater?
So the average is greater.
Yep. So it's the third one. The average claim amount is greater than 1,500, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Question 11 is which of the following would be the appropriate null hypothesis? Would that just be the average claim equal to 1,500?
Equal to.
Yep. Did you get that, Ryan?
So for number 10, I have average claim amount is greater than 1,500. And then for 11, I just have equal.
Yep.
Okay.
Cool.
12.
Just the insurance company randomly selected n equals 40 claims and calculate an example mean of x equal to $1,650. So the insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption?
Yeah.
40.
Wouldn't it be because the sample is large?
So a regular claim average is 1,500, and now the sample mean is 1,650.
Yeah. Never mind. So it will be the first one?
Yeah, I think so.
So what is that?
It is a good assumption since the sample size is large.
Okay.
Okay.
I would agree it's above 30.
Yeah. And then the question is, what theorem or law justifies your answer to the previous question? I think it's the central limit theorem.
Pardon?
The central limit theorem. Because it's larger. Because the sample size is large.
True.
So
it
it
makes
will
it
be,
normal.
it should be the central.
Yeah.
Central limit theorem, I don't know.
Is that the answer to 13?
Yeah.
It is central limit theorem.
Mhm.
Okay.
I have no idea for 14.
I mean, we did solve for the Z score. So question 14 says, which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson? And it gives, the answers are, answers they give are the X with the little line over it, Z, S, and N.
So it's X bar, N is the population, Z is the Z score.
So are we doing, sorry.
S is the sample standard.
So which one is it? Which one it is?
I don't
Sorry.
know.
Which of the following is a test statistical defined in this lesson?
I think it's Z,
Z?
just because that's what we use. Like we use the formula to find the Z score.
Yeah, it's Z.
Did you get that, Ryan?
14 is Z.
Yep.
Okay.
Because C is the test statistic, X is the example mean, mu is the population mean, O is the standard deviation, and N is the sample size. So, yeah.
Cool.
Was that an answer to a question?
So answer 14, or question 14 was the answer to the Z. Now we're on to question 15, which is A.
Okay.
Write your answer down.
14 is Z. 15. Okay.
Right. This one is the historical mean of sales receipt at a grocery store is $150, with standard deviation of $40. The store manager suspects that the average has decreased. He sets up a hypothesis, tests with the hypothesis. The null hypothesis is equals 150, and the alternative hypothesis is smaller than 150. And she will use the level of significance of A equals 0.05, then takes a simple random sample of 36 sales receipts from her store and compute X equals $144 population. Okay. And so the question is, what is the Z-score associated with this test?
So that is 144 minus 150 is -6. Where'd my pen go? Oh, here it goes. Okay.
Divided by 40.
Pardon?
It would be -6 divided by 40. No. Yes.
Did you get the answer already?
No. Sorry.
Oh.
I was just trying to help out. Should have. did you figure out the score?
I get negative 1.11111 because then the negative 6 is 40 over the square root of 6, right?
No,
Negative-
because we don't have a sample size yet. You only have to do that with the sample size.
She
Do
said
you
then
see that?
she then
you see
takes
that?
a simple random sample of 36 receipts.
Oh. 36 feet. Yeah, it would be. Then you could go to 36, which is 6. So you do.
Do you see the question, Ryan, or not?
Oh, I was trying to load it on my screen. It's slowly.
No.
Okay, let's see. The historical mean of sales. And my eyesight's bad. Receipts. Grocery store.
Actually,
0.8999.
I got 0.9000, but it could be just what we divided by. Like,
Yeah.
when you divided 40 by 6, oops. What did you?
6 point. I got 6.666 repeat.
Yeah.
So then you do the negative 6 divided by 6.666. I did 6.667, and I got negative 0.8999.
Yep. Negative 0.89. So do we round that?
9. Would that be negative 9?
That's what I'm. 0.9.
Yeah, negative 0.901.
Did we put 2 zeros? Oh yeah, it says round to 3 decimal places. So negative 0.900. What did you? It's not negative?
No, it's negative.
Oh. Okay.
All right. Now we put it into the applet. All right. The applet says it's 0.368.
So did you do both ends then? You highlighted both ends?
Oh wait. Yeah, I highlighted both ends.
Is that what
no,
we're
not supposed to do both. No. She thinks it's decreased, so we're only supposed to do one end. So then it's
Which would be the left end, right? I mean,
yes.
correct.
Yes.
So
Correct.
that's 0.184.
Yes. So, Ryan, the answer to 15 is negative 0.900, and 16 is 0.184.
Which one is for 16?
Nate, sorry. Go ahead, Karen.
No, you can go. It's okay.
Number 16 is 0.184.
Okay. And before that?
Negative 0.900.
Negative 0.990? No. Wait.
Nope. 0.900.
Okay. Both of them negative.
Nope, number 16 is not negative.
Oh, 16 is not negative. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so the level of significance is 0.05, right?
Yeah.
Yep. So reject the null hypothesis if the p-value is less than the level of significance.
But it's more than the level of significance.
So if not, then don't reject it.
All right.
So the answer to question 17 is fail to reject the null hypothesis. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You asked Ryan again.
It's gone.
What?
All right. I'm
Ryan.
going to grab my cord. I'll go grab it and plug it in and such.
Oh, Ryan's gone again?
Yep. Where did she go?
Sorry, I gotta plug it in.
Okay.
Oh.
So question 18. What is your conclusion for this problem? We have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150. We have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150. We have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150, sorry. Or we have sufficient evidence that the true population mean less than 150.
Well, we didn't reject the null hypothesis, so does that mean we just have insufficient evidence that the true
think.
So it will be between the third one and the first one? Insufficient?
Wouldn't it have to be the first one, though?
But it says, okay, wait, which one did you say?
The first one, we have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150. Because we failed to reject the null hypothesis.
And the null hypothesis is that it is 150?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And all I remember talking about in the chapter, but if you remember something else, then I'm for sure okay being a different answer.
Okay, there are two types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis test. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true?
Two? I don't know.
So we reject the null hypothesis, but what is true?
The null hypothesis is true.
Hmm.
Would that be type 2?
Reject the null. I get confused with this. I have the little drawing.
Type 1. Okay. So we have.
So you guys think it's type 1?
I thought it was type 2, but if you think it's type 1, then
No, I don't. I don't think. I don't know. I have the chart, and so it's like the reality, the hypothesis is true, but we do not reject the null. That's a type 1, and if the reality is that the other hypothesis is true, but we say we reject the null hypothesis, then it's type 2.
so it's type 2.
Yeah, it's type 2.
Okay.
Okay, because I don't know.
Well, because if we rejected the null hypothesis according to this, it's type 1. Other than that, it's 2.
Okay.
Finally, where were you, Ryan? Nope, he froze again.
Poor Ryan.
Let
Alright.
it go. Let it go.
Definitely gonna ask for a new laptop for a wedding gift for sure. So, did I miss much?
A
We're on
lot.
question
What question?
20.
Whoa, you guys did two questions without me. I haven't even been able to open the quiz, so it's so weird though. When I hang up with you guys, it just opens right up like that. Just
In either way, you can see the video again, you know.
So what do you need the answer to, Ryan?
so I got 16 was 0.184, 15 was negative 0.900, and I need 17, 18, and 19.
So 17, we said fail to reject the null hypothesis. 18, we did the first one. We have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150.
Population mean is 150, and 19.
Type 2?
Type 2.
But we're not extremely confident in that answer.
Maybe he knows.
Huh?
Maybe he knows. This is the question. There are two types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis test. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true?
Type. Let's see. So, type 2 error says, in a statistical hypothesis, testing a type 1 error is the incorrect rejection of a true null hypothesis, or a false positive, while a type 2 error is the failure to reject a false null hypothesis. So what was the question again?
Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true?
So I think that's type 1. Let me just reread it. Let me reread it and see if it makes sense. It says type 1 error is the incorrect rejection of a true null hypothesis, while type 2 error is the failure to reject a false null hypothesis. Okay, so 19 type 1?
Yep.
Good job, you saved us a wrong question, a wrong answer.
Yep.
Oh, I actually did something.
What was our Z-score again? 0.184. So we got 0.184.
Uh-huh.
So, and if, okay, boom. So if the p-value is smaller than A, this is would be rejected. So.
Is that part of the question, or is that the answer?
Yeah, so the p-value is 0.184.
Mm-hmm.
And this, and A is 0.01. So if the p-value is smaller than A, this is considered a rare event and the null hypothesis would be rejected. So 0.184, is that smaller or larger than 0.01 is the first question.
Mm-hmm.
Larger.
Yes.
And so if the p-value is smaller, but it's not, but if it was smaller, then it's considered a rare event and the null hypothesis would be rejected. So it's not rejected. But I don't know which of these types.
Oh, wait. I think my quiz loaded up. Sweet.
Yay! Wow. Question 20.
Five is not equal to 10. 11, 6, and less than 7, it's greater than greater than less than say which one is greater.
I don't know what the answer to 20 is.
Oh. Still. What?
You guys have any idea?
Mm-mm.
So, well, it said it doesn't give us any information. Besides that, I guess there's enough to answer it. Supposedly. Hypothetically.
So we said, well, here in type 1, we never accept null, we only reject it. Probability of type 1 error is a level of, when probability goes up, the other goes down. Okay, well,
I don't read the last two questions, and I don't know what they're asking. Like, especially the last one, I don't know what answer they're expecting. But number 20, a researcher decided that instead of using the level of significance of A equals 0.05, he will use A equals 0.01. Which of the following is true? Is that the probability of the new hypothesis will decrease? Because there's more chances for it to be small? No.
I
Get it.
Me either. Ryan or Kenny, you guys get it? You get number 20?
We, we, will be true.
I think it's according to the from the other exercise about the alpha equal as 0.5. So if we change that number, I think we might have the other one, but I don't know quite sure.
Well, so I guess.
I don't know. If I had to guess,
Which we obviously have to.
I don't know. I can't even tell you what I would guess. Um, that probability of type 2 increase?
Good answer as any.
My guess.
2, 8.
Maybe we should choose a different one, and then after we take the quiz, we can say the right one, and we'll all go back and take the quiz again.
What's the probability of that?
Well, there's four. There's 4 of us.
Good point.
All right, I'm choosing type 2. Everyone else can try that. Something else you want.
Okay, so if A equals 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error.
This show us how to do this?
So that means that the answer for the other one was type 2, so we are fine.
Okay.
Makes sense, right?
I don't know.
Yeah.
I just want to pass the class and be done with it.
I know. I have absolutely no idea how to do 21.
If A is 0.05, compute the probability of committing a error. I mean, isn't it 50-50? I don't know. Oh wait.
I'm waiting.
Yeah.
Ryan, you still here?
So apparently my Internet Explorer shut down on me, so I can still talk to you guys. That's cool, but my quiz is gone.
I thought you weren't seeing wedding rings.
Oh my!
I must have missed this totally and completely, or I didn't understand that it was something I did.
All right. Let's see. I don't think they showed us how to do it.
I don't remember seeing it.
I can tell you what the z-score is.
All right. Well, why don't you put the z-score in the applet?
I did. I put the area, put it in as the area, 0.05. Maybe it's put 0.05 in the disease. No,
The level of significance is established.
I got 0.519, so 52%.
It's 2 decimals. So what did you get?
52.52.
So,
I don't know. You're very wrong, guys.
Or it could be very right.
I'm submitting this quiz, just so you know. I will tell you if it's wrong, so. Come on.
I think the answer is right here, but I'm not sure. In this remember box. And I have no idea how to. Anyway. But.
All right, 19. So 20 is the probability of a type 2 error will increase, right? But the answer for question 21 is not 52. So I don't know what to do.
Oh.
So 21, the answer is not 0.52. No.
I don't know.
2 questions. Oh, 18's wrong too.
What'd you say?
18's wrong too. Probably with insufficient evidence of the true population mean is less than 150 versus just is 150. So. All right. Well, I guess I could take the games I wanted to. Figure out it later.
What?
I took the quiz. Guess I could choose to have a different problem.
Well, that's the only one we got wrong was 21.
And 18. Unless I put the wrong one in, you guys put the right one in. Very possible. All right. Well.
Well, we didn't do bad. We got 95.
Yeah.
Better than I do most of the time. I'll take it.
I did not do well in the test in my case.
Oh, the exam?
Yep.
I know.
It was like kind of like that. What do I do now?
I know. You know what? I spent all my time on math this week, and I have another project that's due today at midnight, and oh well.
Yeah.